Hey everyone, so if you haven't used that Fire TV app like you should, watch this video and I'm going to show you how I really use it. So the Fire TV app is very useful, especially if you have the Fire TV Recast, because you can see all the shows that's on TV at this current time, and then you can set recordings. You can pause, rewind, and do all that fancy stuff from the app. But the app can do a whole lot more than just that. So let's go into the app and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So when you open the app, first thing it's going to do, because it's already connected to my Fire TV Recast, it's going to show me all that's what's on TV right now. So all of these programs are on TV right now that's playing. So while strolling through it, if I see something I like, I can just click on it and it will start playing on my tablet. Now this program is coming directly from the Fire TV Recast, which is over-the-air antenna. So from this, I can actually do anything like pause it. I can go back 10 seconds and then I can jump forward 30 seconds if I really wanted to. So all of this stuff I can do from the Fire TV app. But I can go beyond that, because down here I can see all my recordings that I had set to record at a certain period of time. And I can go back and watch these. As long as I have space on the Fire TV Recast, I can keep recording until, you know, the oldest thing or it gets full. Then down at the bottom it has a thing called remote. Remote is where it connects to all my Fire TV sticks. So I have one on each TV, and as you can see, I just named them 40, 65, and 50, so I'll know which TV that I'm connecting to. So if I want to connect to the 65-inch TV that you're viewing right now, then all I have to do is click on this. It's going to bring up this big thing right here, and it's just one big touchscreen remote, for instance. If I want to see my apps, I can see all the apps that's installed on the Fire Stick right now. And I can click on any of these right here and they will just start playing. Say, for instance, Dart Media. As you can see, it brought up Dart Media on the TV. So I can just stroll down on the guide. And as you see us strolling, the TV is reacting. If I see something I like, tap on the screen right there and it's going to start playing. If I want to make it big, I just go back and then I can bring the guide back up. All of this is just like what you would do if you had the remote in your hand. And that's how I would get into that app. So I can click home and go back home and choose something else. If I want to stroll down the menu, I can go across. You can go to the right by just swiping, and I can go down and just keep going down until I see something I like and click on it and start playing it. And you can reconnect to another device if you wanted to. So if I want to connect to the 40-inch, all I have to do is click the 40. If I want to connect to the 50-inch, all I have to do is click the 50 and it's going to automatically connect to it. So the process is pretty simple. You know, for instance, this one is not connected yet. So it'll come up and ask me to enter this code. Now this code is going to be on the TV. So it'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, for instance. And once you put that code in, then it's going to automatically connect to that device. And next time, all you have to do is just select it from the menu right here. And then you can just go right into it like I do when I want to go here instantly. So there you have it. I just wanted to cover this app, you know, the Fire TV app, and all the useful thing it has built in. You know, if you have a Fire TV Recast, you can see what's on TV right now by strolling through the different stuff. You can see all your recordings that you've had if you did any recordings, and you can select them and play them back anytime. And then you got the remote feature where you can control your TVs or any TV you have via the Fire Stick, because that's what it's actually controlling it. It's actually controlling the Fire Stick, not really the TV itself. So anything that goes on the Fire Stick, you can remotely control it. You know, you got access to your apps and all the stuff that I just mentioned. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. I want to thank you for taking the time for watching it. I look forward to see you next time. Have a good one.